an object 5 centimeter tall. That is size of the object he gave. That is nothing but height of the
Yes,
object.
sir.
Height of the object, it is 5
Yes,
centimeters.
yes, sir.
Yes,
Is
sir.
placed 1 meter from a concave spherical mirror. Okay, that is object distance, it is 1 meter. Afterwards, I will apply the sign convention. Afterwards, I will apply the sign convention,
Okay.
which has a radius of curvature. Radius of curvature, it is 20 centimeters. I need to find
Yes, sir.
size of the image right now. So for
Yes,
this,
sir.
what I know is that magnification is equal to height of the image by height of the object.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
image it is inverted now, so we'll have negative. That is equal to v by u. Okay, now can I write?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. And
Yes,
I
sir.
knows that focal length of a concave mirror or convex mirror, it is f equal to r by 2. So
Yes, sir.
it is 20 by 2. That is nothing but 10 centimeters. So initially I know the focal length and image distance. Sorry, object distance. So I can find image distance. I can find image distance by using the formula
Okay.
1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Now I will
Yes, sir.
apply the sign convention. You can see here it is the focal point. This is the pole. This is the center. Okay. Focal length, it is 10 centimeters. And somewhere here it is. This is my radius of curvature. Now observe carefully. Object distance is 1 meter means 100 centimeter. That is, I can write as object distance is greater than the radius of curvature. Can I write?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now that means suppose here it is. Here it is. Okay. That means the object is placed between infinity and C. So image will be formed between F and C, na?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. This is my image distance. This is my image distance. So focal length is negative. So 1 by minus 10 is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by 100. So 1 by V minus 1 by V equal to 1 by 100 minus 1 by 10. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So minus 1 by V equal to, if we take LCM, 1 by 10 as common, 1 by 10 minus 1. That is 1 by 10 times minus 9 by 10. So V equal to 100 by 9 centimeters.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, V equal to 100 by 9. So height of the image by 5 centimeters equal to 100 by 9 by 100. So
Yes, sir.
height of the image will be height of the image by 5 equal to 1 by 9. So height of image will be 5 by 9. 5 by 9 means approximately it is 0.5 right now. 9 5s are 45 now.
Yes, sir.
0.55 centimeters. 0.55 centimeters. Okay, na? Write down.
Okay, sir.
That means this model, like this model, they may give object distance and focal length, and they will
Yes,
ask
sir.
image distance. This model is most important.
Okay, sir.
Even the same kind of model you are having in NCRT example problems.
Yes, sir.
Example problems. Okay. Don't, in
Okay.
your NCRT textbook, don't neglect example problems.
Yes, sir.
Example problems and exercise problems.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now completed.
7 mark.
1 minute. Sir, over.
Completed.
No, sir.
Both
No,
of
sir.
okay. Okay, now completed.
Yes, sir.
Both of you completed.
Yes, sir.
I'm erasing. Completed now.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, fine. So we got it as 0.55. You can see here. See, in the options B, we are having 0.5 centimeter. Option C, it is 0.55. Exact answer, it is this one. See, na,
Yes, sir.
like that. Next one, see, next question is, the focal length of a concave mirror is 50 centimeters. The focal length of a concave mirror is 50 centimeters. Where an object be placed so that its image is 2 times and inverted. Okay. Firstly, they gave the focal length as 50 centimeters. Where an object is placed. Okay. You can see here this one. Where an object is placed. That means they're asking to find the position of the object right now. Okay. So that is U I need to find. So that its image is 2 times and inverted. Okay, that is image is 2 times and inverted means v is equal to minus 2u, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Or I know that magnification means minus v by u now, that is minus 2. Okay, I know magnification and focal length, I need to find u. So by using the mirror formula, 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u.
Yes, sir.
Instead of v, I will write as minus 2u. I can
Correct.
find
Yes, sir.
the u. That is
Yes,
one
sir.
method. That is one method. Okay.
Yes,
Another
sir.
method it is, I'll derive the formula for magnification, focal length, and object distance. That is 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. At the last, I will apply the sign convention. If I multiply on both sides by v, that is v by f is equal to v by v plus v by u. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay, sir.
v by f equal to 1 plus m. Here both for concave mirror, both image distance and object distance are negative. So it will get cancelled. Minus v by minus f is equal to 1 minus m.
Yes, sir.
So m is equal to 1 minus v by f. That is nothing but f minus v by f, right?
Yes, sir.
This is the formula for focal length, magnification, and image distance. And image distance. Okay. Since v equal to minus 2u, I can substitute here directly. Okay. Or else, similarly, I will get the same formula in terms of u. That is what I will do. I will multiply by u on both sides. U by f equal to u by v plus u by u. That is u by f equal to v by u means magnification. Right now, u by v, I can write 1 by m. Okay. Now, in this case also, object distance and focal length both are negative. So minus u by minus f is equal to 1 by minus m plus 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that means here minus minus cancel. So this minus 1 by m, bring it this side. So 1 by m equal to 1 minus u by f. So 1 by m is equal to f minus u by f. So m is equal to f by f minus u. Okay. Now
Okay, sir.
f by f minus u. Magnification means minus 2. Focal length, it is minus 50 by minus 50 minus u. So minus 50 minus u equal to 25. So u equal to minus 75. Okay. Now? So that
So,
is in the concave mirror, object will be negative now. So minus u equal to 75. That is first option.
yes, sir.
Directly you can apply this formula. You can get u.
Yes, sir.
There is no need that you should apply this formula only. This is one of the method.
Okay, sir.
One of
So
the
first
method.
you,
You can apply the mirror formula also.
okay,
You
sir.
apply mirror formula, that will be easier because
Yes,
v
sir.
means minus 2 you know. Directly
Yes,
you
sir.
get.
The second method is confusing, sir.
And it is lengthy. It is
Yes, sir.
lengthy. Directly
Yes.
here they gave the focal
Then
length. So 1 by 50 equal to is equal to minus 1 by 2u minus 1 by u.
Yes, sir.
That is minus 1 by 2, take common, half plus 1, 3 by 2. So minus 1 by u into 3 by 2. So 1 by 50 is equal to minus 3 by 2u. So u equal to minus 75.
Yes, sir.
Directly will get. Actually, this one it is in future, if they give magnification, object distance, and focal length, directly we can apply this formula
Yes, sir.
directly. what? With respect to image distance.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, na? Both of you completed.
Oh, sir, 1 minute. Yes, sir, done.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Both of you completed, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then next question. Sixth one. An object of size. Okay, an object of size 7.5 centimeter. Okay, is placed in front of a convex mirror of radius of curvature. Of radius of curvature. Okay, uh, at a distance 40 centimeter. Now the size of image is. That means you can see here it is that they gave the size of the object, that is h naught they give, right? 7.5 centimeter. It is placed in front of a convex mirror. Suppose this is the mirror. Okay, here it is. This is the focal point, and here it is center of curvature. And this convex mirror is having a radius of curvature as, this is r, 25 centimeter. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
And this object is placed at a distance. How much distance it is? 40 centimeter. U is equal to 40 centimeter. Now we need to find height of the image. Okay. Okay. They gave the radius of curvature as 25 centimeter and object distance as 40 centimeter. See, here we are having the object. That means the light rays are moving towards the right. Okay, na? Like this. We are measuring the distance from the pole. From pole to the object, we are measuring towards left. So object distance will be negative. Na?
Yes, sir.
Radius of curvature will be positive. So what will be the focal length? Focal length. Since f equal to r by 2, na?
Yes, sir. 25/2.
That means, see, focal length is also measuring, this is now. So we are measuring from the pole towards right. So focal length will be positive
Yes,
plus
sir.
25 by 2. Or simply you can write 25 by 2.
25.
There is no need to write positive. Okay. Okay, fine. What I know is that magnification means hi by h naught.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hi by h naught. Actually, fine. That is equal to. In the previous question, we got the magnification in terms of object and focal length. Right now.
Yes, sir.
That is f by f minus u. Right now.
Yes, sir.
No need to find image distance and this one. For this case, I found in the previous problem. So hi, height of the image by height of the object. Focal length, it is 25 by 2 upon 25 by 2 minus 40. See, focal length and object distance both are in centimeters only. No need to convert. So this 7.5 I will write as 15 by 2. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
25 by 2. Okay, fine. We'll write as 25 by 2. Denominator take LCM. That is 25 by 2 plus 18.
Yes, sir.
2hi by 15 is equal to 25 plus 160 plus 25. That is 185.
Yes, sir.
So hi is equal to 25 into 15 by 185 times 2. So if we consider 5 table, 5 5s are 5 3s are 15, 35,
7.
7. So almost it is 75 by 37 into 2 means 74.
Yes, sir.
75 by 74 means how much?
1
Approximately
point.
1.1.
Yes, sir.
75 divided by 74. 1.013.
Yes, sir. 1.01.
Okay. Centimeters. Approximately it is 1 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Na? Right.
Sir, so we can directly write f by f minus u.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
No need to, because we know the formula, na?
Okay, sir.
The formula. That is the advantage for the numericals.
Yes, sir.
Directly, if you know the formula, we can write since magnification equal to f by f minus u.
Over, sir.
Completed.
Yeah, 1 minute. Yes, sir, done.
Completed na? Both of
Yes,
you?
sir. Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay. Okay, fine. See the next question. Okay. See the next question. That is seventh one. The field of view. Field of view means, suppose, say for example, whenever I'm watching sunlight, okay, I will watch, okay, sun, okay, with respect to an area, with
Yes, sir.
respect to an area, okay. Look at me, look at me.
Okay.
Suppose, see here, whenever I'm watching the laptop screen, I am watching the screen this distance. Can you see?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, that means in this plane or in this area, I am watching the screen. This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that can be called as field of view. That
Okay,
can
sir.
be called as field of view. Okay,
Yes,
that
sir.
means that in which area or in which direction we are observing the object, the plane,
Okay.
the plane that is either in xy plane or yz plane or
Sir,
zx plane, in which plane we are observing the object, that can be called as field view, field of view. Okay.
sir, the amount of
Okay.
area we can see is called field of view.
The plane or the area in which an observer is observing the object can be called as field of view,
Okay, sir.
can be called as field of view. Okay. Okay, now this field of view is maximum when focal length is positive.
Yes, sir.
Right now, when focal length is negative, what will happen? Suppose if I am seeing like this, okay, okay, the
Yes, sir.
focal length is in opposite direction.
Yes, sir.
Right now, that means whatever the light rays are passing on the mirror, okay, and the direction in which I am seeing, it must be in the same direction.
Okay, sir.
That's why field of view is maximum for focal length is
Object.
positive.
Oh,
Focal length must be positive. Then both directions must be in the same direction.
yes, sir. I think
So, in which mirror, in which mirror focal length is positive.
convex.
Okay? For convex mirror, focal length is positive.
Yes, sir.
So, field of view is maximum for convex mirror. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write on. First, write on the field of view. Field of view. Field of view. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Write on. The region REGION. The region
The
The
region.
region or war, area, area in which in which in which observer observer is observing the object is observing the object can be called as can be called as can be called as field of view. Can be called as field of
Yes,
view.
sir.
Okay, na?
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, next point right on. Field of view is maximum for the mirror for the mirror for the mirror whose focal length is positive is positive
Yes, sir.
so that so that direction of field view is along the direction of along the direction of along the direction of measurement of focal length measurement of focal length. Okay, na? Measurement of focal length.
Done, sir.
Okay, measurement of focal length. So focal length is positive
Okay.
for convex mirror.
Yes, sir.
Focal length is positive for convex mirror.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? Okay, fine. Next question. The focal length of a concave mirror is f, and the distance from object to principal focus. Okay, see here, distance of the object to the principal focus. Object to principal focus. That is nothing but focus. Okay, and they are asking to find size of the image to size of the object. That is m. I need to find it. Suppose you can see this is my concave mirror. Okay, na? And
Okay,
here
sir.
it is the pole. This is the focal point or focal length. This distance they gave it as f. And here we are having the center of curvature, and this is the object. Okay. This distance, they gave it as x. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So the total object distance means I can write as u is equal to f plus x